Hello. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can manage your CPU like a pro. If you work as in the technological world and you manage servers, for example, being it in a cloud environment or on-premise environment, one thing you would come across all the time is the management of CPU. So in this case, I'm going to show you the tool which you can use to manage your CPU so efficiently. Here, I'm going to introduce to you mpstat. To do that, you can just type mpstat -p, or because you want to check all the CPUs on the system. So we can have this refresh every 2 seconds, and to do that, we can just add the number 2. Just give it a second. Now you can see all the CPUs on the system. And it refreshes every 2 seconds as indicated. If you wanted it to refresh even, like you can set it to refresh every 5 seconds, for example, if that's what you wanted to do. Now, how do you interpret the output that we are looking at now? So you can see all the CPUs, about 7 of them, if I can count them correctly. Now you can see the percentage of CPU used by the user processes. You can see the percentage of CPU used by nice user processes.